Hey guys, welcome to Flights and Fabrics. I am Simire. Thank you so much for sharing and caring. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, for liking my content, and for commenting. I've seen your comments lately, and I'm so happy that we can get to interact. Today we are going to talk about what's in my travel bag, and right now it has been so long since I last traveled, so I tried to get some of the things that are essential for me to have in my travel bag. Now I am out looking for a new travel bag, so I might do a part 2 of this video, but for now I'm going to show you one of the bags that I love to carry with me when I am traveling, because it's just a nice sized bag that can just keep everything that I need to feel comfortable while traveling. Let's start with the bag, shall we? So I have this old Marc Jabos. This is so old. I've had it. I got it for my 20th birthday from my mom. It was back then. It was a big gift for me, and I was into this bag. I had eyed it for so long, and I think I've talked about it before, but it was back in the days was when Marc Jabos was the shit. Okay, so I got one myself. Well, my mom got me one because she knew how much I needed it, and I just loved the leather. I loved the whole, like how big it is. It doesn't look big, but it's very like spacious, and you remember the logo in the bag. I just loved it. It was so nice, and it just contained everything. I used it as my study bag back then, and I could just put everything in it and I would just go around with my day. And it's so functional. It has like this keychain kind of thing, and then it has these 2 magnets here, and then your bag is good. But I never do that. So now that this bag is so spacious and you can almost have everything, your entire house in it. Oh my god, I broke a nail. Look at this. Yeah, so I use this as my to-go-to, and it has, like different pockets. It has like one small pocket here and another even smaller one, and then it has like a zipper one right here. And please bear over with me, this bag is dirty. I need to get it washed before I use it. Luckily I'm traveling in mid-August. One of the first things that I make sure to pack is my little kit. This is my kit. It contains a lot. It contains some of the things that I really want to have with me while traveling. So it has these cotton pads because you need them at any occasions. And then it has perfume, of course. I literally killed Mademoiselle Chanel. Like, this is so easy to wear, so I always make sure to pack it. I have deodorants. You've heard about me and deodorants. I just like to smell clean, fresh, and nice. So every time I freshen up, deodorant. And then I have Vaseline just in case I forgot my lip gloss or anything. Vaseline is your to-go-to. I never forget this. This and this and these. Like, these are 3 things that you will always find in my bag and I never forget, right? Okay, let's just put all these things there. And then I have some sunscreen and SPF 25. This has been working for me for the longest, so yeah, but you can pick any sunscreen you want, but it's so important to always carry sunscreen with you, because again, you're traveling to a new climate and you don't know. Just remember to put on some sunscreen. So I always carry this with me as well. And then I have my my cream. It's my moisturizer, and I love this moisturizer because it's just so light but so moisturizing at the same time. So it's my to-go-to, and it's amazing. I love it. And then the thing that I also never ever forget is my night repair. I love this because it does wonders to my skin. I haven't met a product that really does the job the way this thing does. Things out there's so many moisturizers and everything, and you can choose and pick, and they will tell you all kinds of magicness, but this this, it's worth the money. So I always have it with me. Like, I cannot travel without. And every single time I land in some new airport, I always make sure to pack and stack up this thing, because duty free, here we come, and it's cheap and expensive. No, it's expensive, and then it can become cheap once you buy it at the duty free store. So yeah, that's a hack for you. And then I have a little mascara because you want to look fresh and neat. So yeah, that's basically it. And then I have some toothpaste because you want to stay fresh and clean, guys. So yeah, those are the things that are in this kit that I put in my bag. Okay, let's put it back. Okay, just quickly, because I want to show you that all these things can fit into this bag, and I'm good to go if I pack it nicely, of course. All right, and then next thing I have is the little red bag, and I always make it red because it's like my emergency bag or my emergency kit. It has, what does it have? It has some pads, all right, because you never know, and then has some wipes because you want to stay clean and germ free, and then it has these earplugs because sometimes traveling is not for the light person, it's not for the weak. And then it has some gum, and I think these are painkillers just in case I have a headache or some stomach ache or whatever. So yeah, that too goes in my bag. Remember, this is like, this is a big chunk of room, so I really want to separate and then secure things so you don't have mishappenings in there. And then I have my wallet, and here's the reason why I have a big wallet. Of course, I have everything with me. I have my credit cards, I have my cards, I have, you know, all kinds of like important stuff in there, and then I have my passport. Now, I'm not one to just always remember where I keep my passport, and I've never really bought that passport holder or whatever, so I always put it in my purse. See, and then it's here, and then I don't have to think about where did I place it last time. And my boarding pass can also like be in this, so I'm not about to lose my passport or forget my passport somewhere. And it's good it's red because then I can always put it in my bag. And the next thing also is you need to stay germ free. So yeah, I got some disinfection for anybody who is around me. And then I got some tissue paper, of course, because you never know. I got a pen and a notepad. Always, this is my diary. So yeah, that too goes in there. See, still. And then I just got this book that I want to read. I don't know what it is about, but one of my friends said that I should read it, and I think this is going to be my summer read, one of my summer reads actually. So yes, I carry that with me on the plane as well, because you don't want to, you don't want to get bored and have absolutely nothing to do. Either you'll catch me reading on the flight or listening to music. I am obsessed with music. I am obsessed with music. So every time I fly, I start listening to music, and then when I kind of feel like, okay, 4 hours of listening to music, maybe it's time to read a book, and then I have like 1 hour or 2 hours reading this book, and then I fall asleep or we land. So yeah. And speaking of music, I do carry my headsets, and I actually don't know where the holder is. I usually have a little mini holder for my headsets and my my charger, my phone charger. So I have these, and I always put them in a little bag as well. But today we are going to put them, you remember the small bag areas, the small pockets that I told you about? Yeah, that's where we are going to put them right now, so we remember them and they're easily accessible. There you have it. And then I have a scarf. Now a scarf can always be a really good thing, and I've talked about that before. And then I have this one. Now this one, it can be, you know, to protect my neck or to just look chic once I get off the plane. And when I am about to sleep, I'm a black girl and I love my hair and I love to protect my hair, so I always have a silk scarf to really protect my hair once I feel like I am about to be sleepy. And it has to be cute, because no, we are not looking trash just because we're sitting in an airplane. Like, what? No. I do wear a scarf, and so I pack it as well. And then I have something to nibble on. I am a chocolate girl, will always and forever be a chocolate girl, so I always have some sort of like sweet in my purse, because them chocolates in the airplane are so expensive. And then last but not least, I have my laptop. I have to have my laptop because obviously YouTube, obviously work, there's so many things that I can do on my laptop, and I never use it. Actually, I never use it while I'm traveling, because I told you it's either music or reading a book. I rather use this once I land and whatever. It's just that I travel with it just to make sure that I get some work done. So, and I do have like I do have the bag for it, but I just cannot find it. This is just to showcase how many things that this bag can contain, and that's why I love carrying it. All right. This is my carry-on bag, and it's a bit heavy, but I do have a carry-on briefcase, so I do put it there and then I just drag my bag. But yeah, my bag is deep. If you get it, you get it. So that was some of the things that I do carry, and it depends on where I am traveling normally, because if I have like a short flight trip, of course the bag is lighter and I pack lighter. But if I travel up to 6 to 7 hours or more, I usually stuff this with so many things. But the things that I just show you, those are the key essential things that I carry with me, and I feel like one should carry as well. If you have any other ideas that we should remember to carry in our bag, please comment down below and let us know, because sharing is caring, and we do not want to miss a thing. We want to have a really nice, safe and good trip while up in the air. So please comment down below and let us know what I forgot or what I should add in my bag. Until next time, until part 2, I'll see you, and it has been a blast. See you. Bye. Mwah.